You are welcome to this channel once again. Today we will put more emphasis on the facts, what we should know about cassava. Cassava is a fruit or crop that is everywhere in Southern America, tropical area, and Western Africa. It is a root crop, a root tuber crop. If we want to go more deeply here, its botanical name is called Manihot esculenta, and some people used to call it mahide, maniko, and yucca, which is a very good edible plant. It's a root plant, and it comes from a family of Euphorbieaceae. This is from Americans. Mainly, according to history, cassava was first cultivated by the Mayas in the Yucatan part of the Americans. Cassava is very good and it contains a lot of healthy benefit. Also, there is some poisonous part of cassava. That is why when one want to prepare it, when they uproot the tubers, they need to wash it, peel it, and the tuber itself need to properly be cooked so that to kill or to remove the poisonous part. That is the cyanide. Hydrocyanide is the acidic part of this cassava here. So, like indigenous people in West Africa, always prepare it, use it to produce something like gari, produce something like fufu, and mayans in Jamaica. So, in this way, cassava is a nice way when they want to prepare it, because if you prepare it very well, you get the functions of it, you get the benefit. What are the uses of cassava? Cassava has a very good dietary fibers, and it contains vitamin C, thiamine, folic acid, manganese, and potassium. It's when they eat the root part, which is like a nut part of the root, it's good. You can use it in stew, like some people. Some people use it like fufu, as I mentioned, in West Africa, and bami in Jamaica. Some produce it in form of tapioca. For just split it small, like tapioca. Make it a way that they can eat it. Some eat it raw, because there's some sweeter part of this cassava. We have a wide variety of species of this cassava here. Some are sweet. Then they use it some as flour, which is the bitter part of this cassava. The most bitter part of the cassava can use as the species. And when they want to use it as flour, they need to ferment it for a very long period of time. When they put it in water to soak it for a long period of time, ferment it, then filter it, then sun dry it. If those people that doesn't have a mush this same machine, then after they grind it and make it like flour. Then some people use it as starch. They put in clothes and prepare it and make it like all those starch they put in clothes and make clothes to good in laundry. Cassava is very good in for health, because people eat it when they process it, make it like gari or fufu, make it good. You eat it because it contains carbohydrates, which is energy, gives humans energy in the body. So many parts of the world cultivate cassava. European parts of the world, Americans. It's also in Africans, more in West Africa. They cultivate more of this cassava. And some of the trees of this cassava here can be very tall, like up to 30 feet. That is about 9 meters. And the root, depending on the soil, it produces more. When the soil is good, when the soil is fertile, it produces more of it. But when the soil is not really good, it produces less. That's why if you want to prepare cassava here, you need a very good fertile soil to produce it and make it look nice. So as you continue to view this video, like it, subscribe, and share with your friends so that you can get more benefit. Next time we discuss about the health benefit of cassava when you transfer it to Gary. Take care.